My name is Winnie Eguchi. I'm a trustee at the CCK Retirement Benefit Scheme. I'm attending the FINET Capacity Building for Trustees in Mombasa. It's a very useful forum for trustees to come together and benchmark, compare, and learn lessons from other boards for the betterment of their own scheme. And we've also had an opportunity to hear from various speakers and to just take lessons back to our boards and to be able to manage our schemes in a better way. So I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot of emerging trends, investment opportunities, and all this will be very useful when I go back and implement all these good ideas into the management of our scheme. So this is very useful. I encourage many trustees to attend this because you get to learn a lot. You get to add value on your board. So welcome and attend these sessions as much as you can. Thank you.